Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here today. I am Mayuri Gorle as a clinical research coordinator and welcome back to another topic, that is importance of protocol in a clinical trial. So what is exactly the protocol or a study protocol? Let me explain it little bit. Definition of a clinical trial protocol. A clinical trial protocol is a document that describes the objective, design, methodology, and statistical consideration and organization of a clinical trial. Or we can say, in general, it is a detailed document that is describe all aspects of clinical trial, and it has the study plan on which the clinical trial is based. And why do we need a protocol? Let me explain it little bit. In study rationale, it involves the risk benefit assessment. It describes how the study risk and the product will be mitigated in the study and why the potential benefits outweigh the risk. And it is described why investigational drug will be safe and safety effective for the clinical trial indications and intended, and the instructions on specific activity, and describe study design and provide the safety instructions. Let's have the brief discussion about the purpose of the clinical trial protocol. The protocol demonstrates the guidelines for conducting the trial. It illustrates what will be the made in the study by explaining each essential part of it and how it carried out. We need to define chemical compositions of the investigational product, and it also describes the eligibility of the participants, length of the study, and the medications and the related test, and mention the disease and conditions for which the investigational drug product is being evaluated, and provide the brief summary of the clinical data available that are relevant to the study, and track changes recommended by IRB. In the other section of the protocol, we will discuss about the element of the protocol, or you can say protocol content. It involves the study rationale, study design, and study objective, study procedure, discontinuation of the subject, protocol violation, adverse experience reporting, and statistical consideration, data collection and monitoring, and ethical regulatory consideration. In protocol, it mention about the what type of people may participate in the trial, mention about the schedule of the test involved, and it also mention the different procedures which will be followed throughout the trial, and allowed medication as well as the prohibited medication, and dosage and length of the study. We used lots of protocol for many trials, and the main objective of a clinical trial protocol are: primary objective of the trial is address the specific aim and objective by collecting appropriate data. For example, lowering the blood glucose level by 20 units within the proposed clinical evaluation of investigational drug. And the primary endpoint is endpoint for which the subject are randomized and for which the trial is powered. And secondary objective is additional and desirable research related outcome, for example progression free survival. And the secondary efficacy endpoint is additional events of interest for which the trial may not be powered or not randomized. Designing and running a clinical trial requires the skill of many experts. Each team may be set up differently at different sites, and the members involved in protocol development are: first one is the principal investigator, supervises all aspects of a clinical trial. This person develops the concepts of trial, writes the protocol, submits the protocol for the institutional review board, that is IRB approval, and directs the requirement of patients, and manages the informed consent process, and supervises data collections and analysis, interpretations, and presentation. And the other are medical monitor, biostatistician, and research scientist, medical writer, and clinical research associate. Other section of the protocol will be covered in the subsequent video. Please keep watching, and thank you for watching this video. If you like, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please let me know if you have a questions, and we'll talk you soon.